Welcome to Math 123 Quantitative Reasoning with Becky. So I am Becky Menning and I am your wonderful instructor for this course. Hopefully we have a fabulous summer semester. This is video one of a few, just basically designed to walk you through the course so that you can see exactly what to expect, where to find things, and all of that fun stuff. So you're going to see the course. You're either in 40B or 42B because I have two classes this summer, and it's always going to default to this homepage. So the homepage, you're going to see like recent announcements at the top. I post a lot of announcements. Please check those out. I like to post helpful videos for Excel assignments, projects, that kind of thing. Those will all be posted in the announcements. And you can just see these will take you directly to any of the modules from this homepage. But we also have all of these buttons on the left. So again, you have the announcements button. I recommend checking your announcements at least a couple times a week. It's pretty easy to just kind of click on that, see if there's anything new. I try to only post things that are going to be helpful to you. I try not to waste your time, but I want to make sure that you have what you need to be successful. Under the syllabus button, here is all of my information. So my phone number, my office, call me anytime, day or night, leave me a voicemail. That voicemail goes to my email, which goes to my cell phone, and then I can have it everywhere. My office hours are just on Mondays. I am on campus also Tuesdays and Wednesdays. If you need to come and meet with me at a different time, just shoot me an email and say, this is a day, this is a time I need to meet. And if I'm not doing anything, I can be here. So you just have to communicate with me. My instructor is Rebecca Fott. There's her information. Feel free to contact her. And then you can read through the syllabus. I am not going to read it to you. Here's the weights of the course. As you can see how the exams, homework, discussion boards, project quizzes, there's all kinds of stuff in here. Due dates are due dates are due dates. If you don't have documentation of why you can't do something when it's due, then it's due, right? So, and there are a lot of due dates. This is an 8-week class and there's a lot going on. You have to keep up. If you don't work a little bit every day, you're probably going to fall behind. You need to kind of get moving quickly in this class. You are required to come to campus or a different proctored site for the 3 exams. If you go to an Ivy Tech, it's great. I don't need to know. If you need to take your proctored exam somewhere besides an Ivy Tech campus, I need to know that sooner rather than later. So an email or a phone call from you would be fabulous. Blah, blah, blah. Again, you can read all about the pieces we're going to do in this course. And at the bottom of this, you see all of the stuff due. So we have 4 things due on Friday, June 8th, 4 things due on Monday, the 11th. And then you can just see it goes from there. The nice thing is you can work ahead. So if you are working on this module 1 and you're like, wow, that stuff was really easy, please move on to module 2 and just get working. When you have time, you want to work ahead. If you like, oh, it's not due to Monday, I started on Monday, you could be in some deep trouble if you hit something that you need a little bit more time on. Okay, so that's the syllabus. The modules are fabulous, and I don't just say that because I created them. They really are fabulous. So the modules, so as you can see here, Module 1 is over sections 1 and 2. We have 28 sections in our workbook that should be delivered to your house. If you don't have a workbook yet, call me, email me, something. Okay, so the first module is modules 1 and 2. So you can see that these 2 pieces have the videos. These videos will walk you through your workbook. So you can work through your workbook, work through the material as you watch these fabulously made videos. And then you have 2 web work assignments, a quiz, and a discussion board. All can be accessed through here. I'm going to talk about web work in a little bit more detail in a separate video because it's its own beast, and I want to make sure to give that proper time. But you can see every module has the videos from the sections in the workbook built in, along with the homework due for that particular module. Every one of your assignments is loaded. This is where you can see everything that's due along with the weight. So here's all of your upcoming assignments. It's got quizzes and everything, projects, it's all built in there. So that's one place to find them. Again, we're going to talk about web work on a separate video. Your discussions can all be found here. They're obviously not in order. Discussion 1 is due on Friday, June 8th, so you're going to want to start that one soon. Quizzes. You can access your quizzes here. Again, you can see the due dates. I believe you have 2 cracks at every quiz, so you can take it once, see what you did wrong, and then go back and take it again. Your grades will show you how you're doing that fun business. The calendar. If you have not taken a course here at Ivy Tech yet and you haven't used Canvas, you don't know how fabulous this calendar is. So let's go to June. So I have right now just 40B is shown up because that's the course I'm in. But this calendar will show you when all of your stuff is due. So if you go to your calendar and you're like, crap, I haven't taken this quiz yet, you can click on the quiz and go straight to the quiz from your calendar. And then you can go, and once it opens, it'll say, you know, I can take it. It's concerning to me that there's not a button for me to take it right here. I'll look into that. Okay, so the inbox here, I can't I'm as a student and I'm not a student, so it doesn't work. But when you click on the inbox, that will allow you to send an email to either me or any of your classmates through that piece. So you can use that just straight from in here as well. So that's kind of a quick and dirty run through of the course itself. The module is where you can access everything. Excuse me, your assignments, your discussions. So that's kind of we'll call that the IvyLearn run through. There will be another video about web work and another video about our synchronous sessions that I'll be doing here next. So thanks for watching the IvyLearn walkthrough.